We would like to share today with you some interesting news about network APIs, about our new platform that we recently just launched. And especially we would like to focus on some use cases, not only about theoretical part, but most use cases that is already tested with our customers and show great results. Let me introduce our partners with whom we just recently announced our strategic cooperation and launched our new platform, GMS Network API platform. Here it is Ramesh Kaza. He is President and Chief Commercial Officer of company Shabody. And my name is Evgen Kurachenko. I am Head of Product in GMS.
Great to be here. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you a lot. So today, as I already told, we slightly will discuss two business cases based on network API solutions that was already implemented with our clients on MNO side and as well with our enterprise customers and like success use cases that is showing great results in front of entering new streams and as well new ways of monetization on both sides, on MNO sides, on operator side, and as well on enterprise. So we will start from the first use case that is related to application, to authorization, and to verification model. And please, Ramesh, just told a little bit about.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So today I'm going to talk about monetizing the network APIs in the financial fraud prevention use case. So Shabody NetAware platform, we deployed the platform by working with one of the operators in Asian bank. And the biggest problem the bank has been facing is they're losing the money because of the fraud that is happening. So the fraud is happening because of a couple of reasons. One, today, banks have spent years and years of money in building their applications and securing the transactions using the SMS and OTP. As you all know, these SMS and OTPs can be social engineered, because of that, people can lose the control of their account and also the phone. Right? That's the biggest problem. Once you lose the control of your phone, you lose the control of your account. Today, phone is your mobile identity. That's the biggest fraud that is happening today. So the bank has been losing the money, and they've been keeping aside like 5 to 6% of their revenues, to compensate for the losses that they are making it. So the challenge that they are looking at is how can they reduce the fraud? So this is where operators and aggregators can help enterprises to reduce the fraud. So operators have a lot of data and an intelligence in their network. So the data and the intelligence is about whether you have the phone that you are supposed to have, and is that phone attached to the device that it is supposed to be. Similarly, did you swap the SIM on the phone recently, in a fraudulent way? So these are some of the intelligence in the data. The operators have it, and today we partnered with GMS to expose such network intelligence via the API. So the bank used similar APIs to prevent the high-value transactions. So whenever there is a high-value transaction, there is an additional checks that are being made to check whether SIM is swapped or not, additional authentication measure. As a result of that, they're able to reduce the fraud, number one. They're also able to increase the customer experience. And this is a great way for operators to monetize on their network infrastructure and the costs that they put in. And for enterprises, it's a financial use case, but it can be applied into the other use cases as well to reduce the fraud. So this is just fraud APIs, is one of the many APIs. And I wanted to give it to Evgen to talk about other API monetization that he will share with you.
Yeah, I will just slightly add to Ramesh's words that currently authentication or verification APIs is very entrance level and easy to be onboarded by each MNO and to receive instant value on it. Because like banks, financial institutions, other one is already looking for some seamless solution to be embedded into their application. That's why in this case, like customer can be easily verified and as well double checked by bank in front of, in case some SIM swap was done or device swap was done, and it's done in like in milliseconds. That's why it's great opportunity for customer to use this solution, to easily to integrate and to receive instant feedback. But as well, I usually when I'm talking to MNOs and as well to business customers, to enterprises, I'm asking not to focus only on like very basic solutions like authentication or fraud prevention, because like our platform is providing more than 30 verified APIs that is already applicable to Camara standards and like unified, and it's providing variety of solutions that can be integrated on each step of customer journey. I mean, in applications, in any solutions that you're using, in industries, in any solutions that you're using in your specific business, and it could provide like additional value. And based on that, I would like to show like our case that we did with one of MNO on Northern Market, and as well we cooperated with Digital Integrated, who was a developer of application. And this application was specifically developed for some purpose to be provided for fans who visited concert on one famous singer. And it was like more than 10,000 entities there. And organizers of this concert knows from previous experience that usually that all fans would like to share with their friends other one, because it's like youngsters usually, and you know they are living in social medias 24/7, and they usually providing a lot of videos like each step what they are doing, and in case they visit in some concert, they would like instantly to post as much as possible to get as much as possible likes. And in this case, we understood that it will be problems, especially with network capability, when like 10,000 people are presented at this concert. And like we had a solution for that. It's very simple solution that can be easily integrated. It's called like quality of demand. Usually like MNOs operated with this name, and it was hard to understand, but it's a very simple solution that is provided you for a very small amount of time, some premium capacity. And in case you are among 10,000 people, you can activate it easily and to receive very fast internet for some specific amount of time. This solution was integrated into applications that was provided by a concert organization. It was a lot of information inside, but as well it was one blog that is dedicated in case you would like to have some specific traffic, like increased traffic for some 5 minutes like it was. And you can pay only $5. And you will receive like premium traffic capacity for you for these 5 minutes. And you can post everything. It was integrated very easily due to the fact that it's standardized. We are standardized according to Camara. That's why it's very simple. One to do on developer side, and as well it's simple to activate on MNO side. And it was developed as well in combination, because like APIs is providing possibility not to use only one single solution. You can mix a lot of APIs in once, because each of these API can simplify user experience and as well can simplify user journey, how to operate with application, how to enable, how to attract customer. That's why you see that we used even couple of APIs for this type of solution. We verified customer, we understood their location because they was located in the specific areas, and we enabled them possibility just to get for 5 minutes very fast internet. And like we got unsurprisingly highest results. It was very surprised for us, and as well it was huge surprise for organizer. Like more than 15% of users of this application used quality of demand service. That's why they ordered this solution for 5 minutes and it generated good money. But it's only one-time solution due to the fact that it was created for POC. In case you operate in this type of businesses or similar one, it's create you like variety of opportunities how to implement it and especially to monetize it. Because we are not talking about solution, we are talking about like these solutions are bringing money. And currently MNOs, enterprises are looking anyway how to get additional benefits from many technologies, and as well currently MNO already invested a lot of money into 4G networks and 5G networks, and they're looking for some ROI. And we are bringing great solutions that easy to integrate and as well easy to use. And you can extend your portfolio as much as possible with the rights. That's why we are presented like our ecosystem. GMS network API platform that already contain like more than 30 APIs. Part of them officially Camara certified, and we are eager just to provide it to everyone and to open new possibilities to increase customer journey and especially focusing on MNOs to enrich your product portfolio and as well to open new ways of monetization.
Yeah.
Maybe you would like to add something. Yes,
yeah, just want to add one sentence. So GMS launched its network API aggregation platform. One of the unique value proposition that GMS brings to the operators and the enterprises is all the way from an operator enablement. So if you are an operator out there looking to explore and expose the network intelligence in the Camara API format, GMS has a solution. So starting from an operator, a network intelligence exposure point of view, all the way up to an enterprise that wants to leverage these APIs, they have a fully integrated solution. So looking forward to working with you guys. Thank you so much for listening and joining our talk. Thank you.
Thank you a lot for your attendance.